Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Gianna. I make lifestyle videos, fashion videos, styling videos, all those types of things. I'm so glad you're here. And for those of you who are not new, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you're here as well. But in today's video, I am coming back after a very long hiatus from YouTube, and there are several reasons why I've been so absent on my channel, but we can talk about that in a little bit. I'm so happy to be back and be filming again though, because I really did miss filming videos and just getting back onto the vlogging world, getting back into the fashion filming world and things of that sort, because it's just something that I really truly am passionate about. So I'm back, and yeah, it feels weird just to be filming, obviously, because I have not filmed in probably 2 months, which is a really long time. I've been in a really weird headspace for a few months, and I just haven't been wanting to do anything that remotely felt like work. And I know that's terrible to say because I love YouTube and I never really felt like it was work, but when I was working so hard at my position that I work at full time, and then having to jump into this like other world of work after I finished my work day, it was just a lot. And I'm done with the excuses. I'm just going to get back into it full speed ahead, and get back to doing the things that I truly enjoy, which is YouTube, which is Instagram, which is making videos and TikToks and Reels and anything like that that is creative. So here I am, I'm back. And yeah, that is all I really wanted to say in this intro. I didn't want to harp on my absence too much, but it just has been a really long few months, and we're just into this year, and it just feels like the longest year already. So I'm coming back into the space with a new head space, a new mindset, and just ready to make some good content. Yeah, with that being said, this is going to be a few days in my life vlog. I'm looking kind of rough. I just got back from the pool. I went to the pool for an hour on my lunch break, just to get some color. So I look kind of pale right now, but I promise I look tanner than I look in the camera. I am gonna go answer some emails. I have to make my bed. This is like a makeshift bed. I had a meeting that popped up on my calendar. My bed was not made, so I made that. I'm gonna remake my bed, change so it doesn't look like I'm naked on camera, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, they are still out here blowing. He's literally like this on the grass. Just blowing the grass. But I'm hoping that, okay, he's leaving. Anyway, I want to show you guys my skincare, because if you've been following me for a while, you know that I am not, or I haven't in the past been the most passionate about skincare, and that was literally just because I was very lucky to just grow up with basic skin. Like, I never really struggled with acne, I never really struggled with pimples and things of that sort. Like, my skin was always like this, but extremely dry. I feel like I'm gonna watch this clip back and be like, Gianna, why did you just not wait until you finished blowing? So I'm just gonna stop for a second. So as of recently, I've been getting more into skincare. I've just been trying to focus on moisturizing my body, and with that I started to try to eat right. I'm trying to just really focus on being a well-round healthy person inside and out. Still do not have the craziest skincare routine, like seriously, I really don't, but I'm just gonna start at the beginning. So when I'm self-tanning my face, which I do this pretty often in the fall and the winter, obviously because I'm pale AF and I use I Love Paradise for my face, I'll always exfoliate my face before. Actually, that's a complete lie. I will often exfoliate my face. I don't always do it because I'm really lazy, and I normally remember to self-tan my face like right before I'm going to bed. So what I do, go through the 9 yards, everything in between and all that jazz, I will exfoliate my face. And this is the Intelligent Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. I got this from a, there we go. I got this from a FabFitFun box. You've got to be joking. This has got to be a joke. Okay, my skin is dying. I need my skincare, so we're gonna power through. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Anyway, I put on my body moisturizer in the meantime, which I guess I'll just show you guys now because whatever. This is the body moisturizer that I use most often in the summer. I just love the way it smells. It brings me back to like summers in the Hamptons because my uncles used to use this all the time and I just love it. So this is the EO Essentials Botanical Body Oil or Body Lotion in the scent Lavender and Aloe. So like when I'm really sunburned or my skin is like crisp after being out in the sun all day, this just kind of soothes my skin a little bit. I cleanse my skin and then I move into serums, and I have 3 that I really like. So the first one that I will start off with is the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 serum. This is vegan, all that jazz. I really like the Ordinary products. I'm kind of like flying through this product. I got this like 2 weeks ago. I don't know, I love it. I use it twice a day. I love it. Then I move on to the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiant Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum, and I got this not a while ago, a few months back, and I was gonna actually pick up a different serum, and the lady was like, no, you should probably get this one, even though I don't really like have many dark spots, but I like it. I don't know, I probably won't repurchase it. I kind of probably will get another one from The Ordinary or something, but I have this one. I'm actually like really running out of it, like big time. Like nothing comes out anymore, but I know there's stuff in there. But if there's like some skincare junkie out there that's watching this, I have like normal skin. It just gets dry, really dry in the winter, and then in the summer it gets really dry, like when I take a shower or like suntan or something like that. So if you have any other products that you recommend, I like to keep things like pretty like low, affordable. I don't really like to like splurge on my skincare just because I feel like there's so many other products out there that do the same thing that are like at a better, more affordable price tag, and that's just who I am. Moving on to moisturizers. I jump from moisturizer to moisturizer. This is what I'm using right now. I don't love it, but it is the Picture Perfect Day Daily Moisturizer, SPF 15. I use it because it has SPF in it. This is the only one I have that has SPF in it, so I want to get another one that has SPF, that is a little bit moisturizing, a little bit more moisturizing on my skin, because this one just kind of like sits on my skin. I don't really know. Don't really love it, but I'm just trying to use it up. I don't have that much left in it. I went to the Whitewater Center this weekend with Paul and his family because they came to visit. And I had this on. I put this on like when we left the house at like 9 a.m. and we went water rafting at 5 p.m. and I got water in my eyes, and I literally, my eyes were burning so bad. If you've ever been whitewater rafting, you know it's just like a hands-on sport. So I had to like quickly rub my eyes and stuff to make it feel better, but this really burns my eyes. That's another thing, so that's why another reason why I'm trying to like just use it up. But the other SPF moisturizer also burned my eyes, so if anybody has any recommendations on ones that don't burn your eyes, please let me know, because oh, I hate it. Good morning. Thursday. I'm so excited that it's Thursday because that means tomorrow's Friday, and that means that the work week is over, and I'm so excited. But I'm having a pretty good morning so far. I've been trying to wake up and just kind of think of the things that I'm grateful for just to myself in my head, just to like start my morning off right, and I feel like I'm having a pretty good morning. We are having such a nice day today. It is like so like breezy out. It feels like a crisp spring day, like not like 1,001 degrees like it was yesterday. Even though I do love when it's really hot out, don't get me wrong, but this is a nice little gloomy Thursday, which I'm enjoying.
Can we go to the gym?
Sure. I was just about to do a speed clean, but we can go to the gym instead.
It's a good place.
It is a good
Who
place.
should I talk to? Like you or the camera?
I don't know. I usually look in the viewfinder, but the viewfinder is down now, so.
This is awkward. Yeah, so I'm at kind of like a good place mentally, and I feel like really start to work out.
Okay, we're gonna go to the gym.
Dang, it only wants my face.
I know, but I'm in focus too.
Yeah, let's go.
And look who's coming out.
Oh, Shmo! I was looking for you.
Where is he? Oh, there he is. Bubby Burger. I did a spin boot camp with Cody Rigsby on the Peloton app. I love the Peloton app, so I've been really using it up, and I've actually paid for the membership because I love it so much. So I've been doing that. And like I said, I love it. It's really, really, really great workout. So I highly recommend if you're looking for something to do at home. But I spin on the bike at the gym here in my apartment complex, and it's not like a Peloton bike, it's just a regular spin bike, but I just kind of make it work. And then I did like the tread, I think it was, no, the bike boot camp, that's what I did. And you like do spinning, and then you go on the floor, and you can do like full body or arms or just abs or legs or whatever you really want to do. So I did the full body one, and it was a really great workout. I love Cody. He's like one of my favorite Peloton instructors. Like, he's just one of my favorites. So I always try and do his workouts because I just really like him. So I did that, and then we got back. I was like, Paul, we have no food. So do you want to get Chipotle? And I never, ever, 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 ever crave Chipotle, but today I was just craving it, which is really weird. So we're getting Chipotle. Paul just left to pick that up. I was gonna bring the camera to the gym, but as of lately, since they changed the gym rules, there's been so much more people there, and the lighting in the gym anyway just completely sucks. So you're better off not seeing what I'm doing. Interrupting the vlog for just a little millisecond to let you know that I love Peyton. She is one of my favorite Instagram people to follow, as well as YouTube. She just cracks me up. I started following her so long ago, and then she started uploading more on YouTube, so I subscribed to her YouTube channel. And when it was not COVID, her and her friend Kelsey, I believe was her name, would do these like get ready with us, like drunk get ready with us. And they were just the best videos ever. So I just wanted to shout her out. Obviously she's not watching this, she probably will never see this, but she is easily one of my favorite people to watch. And she also is dating a baseball player, which I like baseball, so I love her for that as well. But I'm just watching this YouTube video now because I was supposed to get up and clean. I'm sorry about this lighting. I was supposed to get up and clean, and I didn't, because I started watching YouTube. So. Hi, Bubby. It is Saturday. I don't think that I vlogged really anything yesterday. Hope you guys had a good Friday again, or whenever you're watching this. Paul went to golf this morning, so it's just me and Shmew. But I realized that I never did a haul. Like I said, I was gonna go to Target and everything, and I did end up going to Target and Marshalls yesterday, and I never did a haul. So I'm gonna do that really quickly right now, and then take Moo out for a walk because he needs to go out. But oh my god, he's dying to go outside. Okay, I'm gonna take him out first, and then I will do the haul. Okay. That was a little bit of a longer walk, but I like when we go on longer walks, me and Shmuel, because we just bond, you know, we do the thing. Anyway, first thing I got from Marshalls was dry shampoo. I really needed this. Then Paul got a few shirts. I'll show you the two that he's keeping, and then the other one he's not keeping just because it is, in his opinion, too short. So yeah. I also got a phone case, which I came home and realized that I have an iPhone 11 and not an iPhone 12. So I'm gonna go and return this one, and hopefully they have an iPhone 11 one, because my case is like so dirty. Like, you can just, like, the back of it's completely clear, but like the sides are like brown. They're supposed to be clear. So I'm gonna return this today. I was just like going through the racks pretty quickly, and I came across this really cute Banana Republic orange like sweater top. It's not really doing it justice with me just holding it here, but I smell like nail polish, which is really weird. But got coffee. Paul drinks like coffee still from a pot. Like, he makes his own pot of coffee in the morning, so he got this one. He's not very picky at all, if at all. And then I just got 2 makeup products, which I'm excited about. I watch Casey Holmes. She's like one of my favorite makeup YouTubers, and she was using the Incognito concealer from Wet n Wild. So I shade matched this with what I normally wear from e.l.f., which is the light sand color in the camouflage one. So I'm hoping that I like this. I'm pretty sure I can return makeup to Target, so if I don't, I'm gonna try it today and just like see if I like it. But she said she really liked it, so I got it in light beige. I think that'll match. I really think that'll match. And then I needed a new daily moisturizer. I talked about this earlier in the vlog, where the other one that I use like burns my eyes, like insane amounts of burning. So I got this one. This is the facial moisturizing lotion, or the morning facial moisturizing lotion. I don't know why it won't focus on it. There we go. So I'm gonna try this out today as well, because it's pretty sunny today already, even though it's supposed to be cloudy, so I'm not really sure what's going on there. But I'm not complaining, obviously. So I'm gonna go back to Marshall's today when it opens and do like more of like a shopping time. I went with Paul yesterday, and you know how hard it is to shop with guys. Even though Paul literally leaves me and he lets me do my own thing, I just like to be like on my own time, my own agenda. So I will probably do some damage if I find anything cute. And then I think I'm gonna run back into Target, because I completely forgot to look for greenies yesterday for my schmoo. I'm sorry, I forgot to look for greenies. He completely looked away from me. Hello everybody, future Gianna popping in. For some reason I feel like every single time I lose my outro clip, except this time I had an outro clip, but it said it was corrupted and it made me take it out of the video. So I'm ending this vlog. It is many days later, but I'm finally ending the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this little few days of my life and me just picking up vlogging again. I'm just really glad to be back in general, and I'm ready to just create some really good content. So I am excited. I am excited, ladies, but I'm gonna keep this short and sweet because this vlog is already pretty long. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, I really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribed down below if you are not already. And if you are already subscribed, I appreciate you, obviously. But please let me know down below what you guys want to see coming up on this channel, whether it be like vlogs or food videos or styling fashion videos. I am down to do whatever you guys want to see for the most part. So let me know down below what you guys want to see. Follow me on Instagram if you are not already, because I would love to have you on there as well. And I think that's it. So I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much again for watching. Bye guys.